We're going to be doing a video on online side hustles for beginners for extra money selling digital products. Okay, let's get straight into it. What this whole video is about web design. So if you can click a mouse and type on a keyboard, you're good. Literally, that's it. You don't need a lot of skills. I'm going to teach you all the skills you need right here. It's easy enough to get set up within 1 or 2 days, and then you can start getting customers by day 2 or day 3. Okay, it's literally that easy. And just to show you proof, I'm going to show you right here my Stripe account. So as you can see, today is, what's the date? 21st of May. I've currently got £1,519 per month coming in on monthly recurring revenue. That is from 31 customers paying me £49 per month. Okay, that's how that works. I charge £50, £49 per month for a customer, and this is what it reflects here. So as you can see, it's not AI, I'm jigging it about. Okay, cool. What you're gonna need for this is, let's go back here, a few things. Okay, Go High Level, which is a website designer and agency software. Lead Sniper, which is a scraping tool. Namecheap Domains, which is where you buy your domains from to link up to a client's website. Stripe account, just to collect payments for yourself. Canva account to design things. ChatGPT, everyone knows what that is. Google Sheet, just like an Excel sheet for Google. And your phone with unlimited minutes and text. Now let's get into it. So in Go High Level, this is what you'll see when you first sign up for Go High Level, right? And you basically just need these two tabs, sites and media storage. Media storage is for uploading logos, images, and anything creative like videos and stuff like that. Whereas sites is the main thing we'll need, okay? So what we're gonna do, go to sites, click on websites there, and you can literally just start off with making a template website, right? So from over 1,000 templates to choose from. So pick your niche, whatever you wanna choose. Let's just say for the sake of it, plumbing, let's do plumbing, okay? Let's say like all these lists of services there: home services, roofing, cleaning, landscaping, construction, plumber. Okay, let's just choose that one. Okay, plumber. So it takes a few seconds just to add that in, but there's literally thousands there to choose from. So just go through the entire thing, whichever niche you want to target, basically. Let that load up, and then we're going to get there in a second. You may just want to skip the video until this loads. Okay, here we go. So it's loading now. This is exactly what you're going to see as well. It is a very simple drag and drop website builder. Okay, so look, this bit here, for example, you just upload your logo. So let's just say we haven't got anything, but we were to click on that little icon there, add whatever this is, and now it's changed. You see, it's drag and drop. You want to move that over here, you move it over here. If you want to move it back there, you move it back there. It's really simple, drag and drop builder. If you want to say expert plumbing repairs for every household business in London, for example, right? Contact us, you got details there. These are all the elements basically, and these are all the settings for the elements. So if I want to change the background color, I can change that to green, as you can see. If I want to change this whole section, everything's selectable, guys. This whole thing can be changed, put on a gradient, nice blue gradient, etc. All these images you change for the customer's images. So you go over here. You would drag your images into here, but I'm just going to put this in for now so you can see it. It just changes, and you do that for the rest of the site. That is it. That is a website builder. The website building is the easy part. You just fill in all the information. Once you press this button, save, and then publish it, it's ready to go live. Okay. So you got all the different pages. You do the same thing for all of those and save it and publish it. Right. That is a website builder done. If you want the full, like I've got an hour video, like going through every little bit of it, it's much more in depth, but just for this short video, I'm just going to quickly touch on it like that. But yeah, the link below will explain everything in the free Skool group, and it's got an hour-long video where you can actually just go through, and it's all for free as well. So now that you've done this, you know how to do the website builder. Again, playing around with it, 1 or 2 days, you'll become super proficient in that basically. Now you need to find some leads. How do you find leads? Go to this little website here, Lead Sniper, okay? This is $149. It's a one-time payment, but you get unlimited scrapes, which is the best thing about it, okay? So go products, Google Maps scraper, and you just like buy and download. And then once you've downloaded it, you'll get something that looks like this. This little thing here, okay? Now I've pre-populated it with all these different bits here, but what it is, you just type in the niche you want to target, so plumber, and then all the counties, the councils, the districts, the cities, the towns, the villages in your country. So I'm in the UK, and put your country code at the end. So UK, or if you're in America, USA, in Canada, CA, in Australia, AZ or AU, whatever it is, etc. And then when it starts scraping, you don't want it to like pull data from different parts of the world with the same name, Ador, for example. You just want it to be in the UK. That's why you do that. But what you want to do, so you've got this lead sniper thing, you press start, and it'll open up a Google Maps page. And as you can see, look, my hands are not doing anything. It's scrolling by itself. Oh, that side. It's scrolling by itself. It's collecting, it's scraping all the data, okay? If I go over here, click on it again, you can see it's already scraped 100 bits of data, 100 different plumbing businesses, okay? So I'm gonna stop that right now. I've already done this, so I've scraped a little one already, just for the sake of this video. But what you would do is click on export right there, and then just literally download it as CSV, right? That will go into your downloads, and then what you wanna do is go over to Google Sheets, and then click over here. I've already imported it, but file, import, and then go to upload, and you just literally drag your download thing into here, and it will populate, basically, like as it has done right here, basically. So this is it. Then once you're in here, you just go click on this guy here, data, sort range, advanced sorting options. Now this data has a header row, which as you can see, this is a header row where it says website there. That's the main thing you want to look out for. And then click on sort ID by website. A to Z is fine, sort. And I've already just sorted it, that's why it hasn't changed. But this is what happens. So all the listings with a website comes at the top. All of these guys do not have a website, which means we cold call them. Now this includes cold calling. So now you need, this is going back to this thing here, you need a phone with unlimited minutes and text. Okay, let's go back here. So what you would do, call this up, you would say, hey, is that Morgan's Plumbing? Perfect. To be honest, I'm on your Google Maps listing and I can't see a website, and I was just seeing if you want me to make one for you. Make one for you. I can literally send you a demo link right now if you're interested. And if you do, and if they do say yes, you go straight to go high level, and then you click on this button here, which is, it loads up a preview. You copy that and you send that in a text to them. That's why you need unlimited minutes and unlimited text. If they like the look of this and they say, oh yeah, that looks good, nice little layout, etc., change all the images to my details, logo to my details, company details, reviews, etc. You say, yeah, exactly. That's why it takes me about 3, 4, 5 days to do so, just to change everything over to your business. But if you like that, we can get started. I'll collect payment from you and then just start the build, basically. So that's how that works. And then, where am I here? And then this let's just say they become a customer. What you want to do is then build a website in Go High Level, however they want. When you're ready to make the website go live, you go to Namecheap, which is a domains platform. You can buy loads of domains there. Let's just say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 website test.com. But in this example, you probably put like plumbing website, whatever the customer wants, basically. This should be available, I would have thought. And yeah, add to cart. So you add that to cart, and then in the full Skool group, I've got like a 6-7 minute video just explaining the exact process of like what to do. There's 2 little technical bits. You just need to put an A record and a C name record into the DNS records. It sounds technical. It's literally not. It takes about 3 minutes to do. And there's a walkthrough video. I just show you. All right, press this. Now go to this page. Click that. Now click on A name. Add this. Save that. C name. Add this. Save that. Done. Like literally, that's it. Okay. Once you do that, you go back to Go High Level. You press that publish button, like I mentioned, and it'll pop up with a verify. It's basically just your website builder talks to Namecheap's domain and it links it up. That's all it does. It's a little quick technical step. It takes like literally, no joke, 30 seconds. That's that. Now for design stuff, you want to go to this website here, Canva. I just created this 500 by 300 canvas. And if you want to say, just as a logo, plumbing, there you go. Look at that. Perfect. So you just really simple, drag it in, and then just to say you want to call it test plumbing. But that text doesn't look that great, move that to about there. That looks better. Do that, and then you expand it, etc. Boom. So export that. Okay, it's not too deep, guys. And then for all the content on the page, give me content for a plumbing site. So just go use ChatGPT, use it as your friend, link it up, and basically, guys, we're done. We've done Go High Level, these sniper domains, shown you my Stripe account, Canva account, ChatGPT, Google Sheet. Literally, how long are we doing? 10 minutes? You know exactly what to do. Obviously, this is like a quick synopsis. If you want the full play, you want to go here, which is lifestartbusiness.com, which takes you to my free Skool group. Watch this introduction video. Where the settings button is, you'll see a join now button. You go there. But once you're in there, you see the classroom. This is the much more in-depth 45-minute overview video. The rest of it is like all these different bits, like for specific things for the course that you need to know. So for example, that domain thing, how to link your client's domain to your sites you build, like it's a 7-minute video. So if you're interested, go there. I will help you out. I'll get your first 5 customers with you for free. All of the information you see here is free. There's other people in the community as well. As of right now, there's 154 people who are successfully building their business too. So you can be one of them too. So hopefully I'll see you guys in there. I'll chat to you in there, and I hope you build your first 5 customers as well. And hopefully you found this video useful, and you can be something that you use to create an online side hustle for you beginners for extra money selling digital products. So there you go. All right, see you in the next video, guys.